Ever wondered how you can keep your home clean with ingredients found right in your kitchen? Well, today we're going to introduce the concept of using everyday kitchen staples for cleaning. Not only is this approach cost-effective, but it also offers benefits like being sustainable and healthier as compared to chemical-based products. Plus, all the methods we'll be sharing are straightforward and easy to follow, making it a breeze for anyone to adopt. And the best part? They're safe for the environment too. Ready to transform your kitchen into a cleaning supply store? Let's dive in. Vinegar isn't just for salads anymore. It's a great all-purpose cleaner. This humble condiment found in almost every kitchen can be a game changer when it comes to cleaning. You see, vinegar is acidic, which makes it a great substance to cut through grime and buildup. From windows to countertops, even floors, vinegar can tackle it all. To use, it's as simple as mixing equal parts of vinegar and water. This easy-to-make solution can be your go-to for wiping down surfaces and leaving them squeaky clean. But remember, not all surfaces are vinegar-friendly. Marble, for instance, doesn't play well with vinegar due to its sensitivity to acid. So, when in doubt, do a small spot test. Or better still, skip the vinegar. So next time you're out of your regular cleaner, don't fret. Just head to your pantry and grab that bottle of vinegar. It's about time we appreciated vinegar for more than just its culinary prowess. Who knew that your salad dressing could double as a cleaning agent? Baking soda, the secret ingredient to a fresher smelling home. Now, let's talk about the magic of baking soda. This pantry staple is not just for your favorite cookies or cakes, it's a natural odor absorber too. Yes, you heard it right. It's like a secret agent, quietly neutralizing those pesky odors lurking around your home. Imagine your fridge, for instance. It's a melting pot of diverse food items, each with its unique aroma. Sometimes these smells mix, creating an olfactory cocktail that's less than pleasant. But worry not. Baking soda is here to save the day. Just open a box, place it in your fridge, and let it work its magic. It will absorb those unwanted smells, leaving your fridge smelling fresh and clean. The same goes for your trash cans and carpets. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda into your trash can or directly onto your carpet. Let it sit for a while, kind of like it's marinating, then simply vacuum it up or wipe it clean. This humble kitchen ingredient, my friends, is a silent warrior in the battle against odors. So the next time you bake, remember, you're not just making a delicious treat, you're also stocking up on a powerful cleaning agent. Now you can bake your cake and clean your home too. When life gives you lemons, use them to clean stains. Now isn't that a juicy twist? Lemons, beyond their culinary uses, can be a real game changer in your cleaning routine. They're nature's little scrubbers, packed with citric acid that can cut through stains and brighten surfaces. So how can you use lemons to tackle those stubborn stains, you ask? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, squeeze some fresh lemon juice directly onto the stain. The acidity in the lemon juice will start to break down the stain right away. Now, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to stain removal. Let the lemon juice work its magic for a little while. This could be anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the severity of the stain. After this, simply wipe away the lemon juice with a damp cloth. Not only will the stain be gone, but you'll also be left with a fresh citrus scent. It's a win-win situation. So the next time you're faced with a daunting stain, don't panic. Just remember, when life gives you lemons, make stain remover. With these tips, you'll find cleaning your home a zest. Cleaning with kitchen ingredients, easier than you thought, right? Let's quickly recap. We've talked about the wonders of vinegar, baking soda, and lemon as cleaning agents. Not only are these items cost-effective and readily available, they're also eco-friendly. Vinegar, a great all-purpose cleaner. Baking soda, a natural odor eater. And lemon, an effective stain remover. The beauty of these ingredients is that they make cleaning less of a chore and more of an eco-friendly mission. So go ahead, give it a try. Happy cleaning, and remember, your kitchen is more than just a place for cooking, it's a place for cleaning too.